She's sitting on 4. These 2 mosaics are sitting on 5. Pair 2, she is sitting on 4, of which 2 have hatched now, and there's the cockbird there. These 2, this pair is a good looking cockbird and hen bird, and they're sitting on 3 there. These 2 here, that's a hen bird, and there's a red agate, and they're sitting on, if I can get it, they're sitting on 4 in there. And then down the bottom here, these 2 have bred these 2 bred last year, but she never raised it. She raised the chicks, but they died. She didn't feed, and here she is here, this white hen, and she's sitting on 5. That's the breeding pairs, and then cockbird there, he'll be going in the sale this year at the end of February, a couple of weeks, and I'll get rid of him. That'll give me a spare cage. These 2 I've put together, but they're not really doing anything, so I may swap that cockbird there. He's the cockbird. He's the cockbird, and that's the hen bird. And I might swap them for, there's the hen just there, and there's the cockbird in there, which I haven't let these together yet. She keeps looking at these nest pans and can't quite decide which one. And then we've got another empty cage at the bottom. So that's my setup. So we've got eggs in the first cage, eggs in the second cage, and out of these 4 cages, eggs in the first top right, eggs top left, bottom left, got chicks just hatched today, and then bottom right we've got eggs again. That'll do for now, and I'll do another one later on.